Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now if this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the Lyman family. I'm your girl Latoya and this is Lyman with Latoya. Now for today's video, I'm going to show you 4 easy ways to tie your head wraps. Now these styles are so convenient when you're having a very bad hair day. Now go ahead, hit that subscription button, hit that like, post your comment, and be sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be updated as to when I will be posting my next videos. Now, so welcome back guys. Look at my hair. Oh my gosh, it is such a mess. But don't worry, I got this. Now I'm just gonna go in with my detangling brush, my brush with no handle. Like, who needs the handle anyway? So what I'm doing here is to try to get my hair as flat as possible. So I'm just gonna do a inside plait at the back. Now you don't have to do this method. Whatever works for you, you can do. But I am going to do it like this. I'm really struggling here a bit, but I gotta get it done, honey. So I'm speeding up a bit. And what I will do here at the back is to tuck my hair under, just like so. And I'm going with my brush. I hate this brush, but it gets the job done. So now I'm gonna lay these edges like, girl. So I'm gonna use my got to be glue. Nah. I'm gonna use my Gorilla gel. Like guys, I so love this gel. It gets the job done. My edges are laid perfectly with this. Now as you can see, I'm just gonna go in with the gel and I'm just gonna apply it to the front of my hairline. Then after doing that, I'm gonna go get my magic wand, which is my toothbrush. It's an old toothbrush, so I'm just gonna use it to sweep in the edges here. I want to get those baby hair on a fleek. Like, these babies don't have anything on me, girl. So I'm just gonna brush it in like so. Just get it perfect. So what I like to do after I make my edges is to tie it down. So while this is being set, I'm gonna get my face all dolled up. Now voila, here I am guys. Let us see what's happening under this. So as you can see, my edges are perfectly laid. So I'm going with my first wrap. This is my plaid fabric. I so love this fabric. I'm not a fan of the colors because I'm not a color person, but this is so beautiful, I tell you. So what I'm going to do is to start at the back. I'm not going to knot it. I'm just going to twirl it over each other in a twisting motion. And I'm just going to fix the back of my hair to get those rice grains here under. So I'm just gonna twirl it around as tight as possible. And then I'm just gonna take it over my head and I'm gonna continue to twirl it while I take it around. And what I would like to do here with the end is to push it under the wrap itself. So as you can see, I'm getting it under the wrap. And guys, this is just it. Look at that. I'm just gonna adjust the front a bit, and then there you go guys. Isn't this beautiful? I'm so loving it. And I'm just gonna accessorize now. Look at that guys, I'm so loving this. You can see I'm feeling myself. You good girl, show it to them, honey. Like, I'm so feeling myself guys. I'm loving the look, I'm loving the earring with it, I'm loving the black outfit, girls. I'm loving it. Go Toya, go Toya, hey, go Toya. Now on to style number 2. Now listen, black is so classy. You can never go wrong with black. I'm so loving black now guys. Look at that. So just as I did in my previous video, I'm just gonna put it over each other. I'm not gonna knot it at the back. And I'm just gonna take it at the front and trying to tuck in those fabrics at the back to get it perfectly laid. I'm just gonna do a knot at the front, the center of my forehead, and then I'm gonna take the bottom piece and take it over across and tuck it in at the top. Now I'm gonna take the other end and put it under the fabric at the other side. And guys, I'm just trying to get it perfectly aligned. guys, look at this. I'm so loving it. And you know, I got to accessorize, so I'm gonna go in now with my earrings that I purchased from Carbies. Hold on, wait a minute. Here it is. Ow, I'm so loving this, guys. Listen, I'm a Jamaican girl in a Jamaican world. I love these earrings. I think I paid around $550 for these at Carbies. Guys, I'm loving it. And as you can see, I'm feeling myself. Girls, guys, listen, I'm loving it. Go Toya, show it to them, honey. You got it, girl. Rock that, girl. Rock it, honey. Rock. Ooh, you saw that queen. Hey, oh, go Toya. Go Toya. Hey, Guys, I'm loving this look. On to style number 3. Now, guys, I love this pink fabric. I love it, love it, love it so much. I think I purchased this. Yes, nothing. I did purchase this at what's the name of the store again? Oh my gosh, Brit Brand, right? Brit Brand in Halfway Tree. I purchased this fabric at Brit Brand in Halfway Tree. I think I paid around $800 for it. I'm so loving it. It is soft and it is lightweight, and I'm just loving it. So what I'm doing here is to just twirl it at the front, and I'm not doing it as tight as possible. I want it to have this loose fit, and then I'm going to take it around my head in a circular motion, and while doing this, I'm going to twirl the fabric. You see I'm fixing my edges, guys. I want my baby here to show, honey. And I'm just going to twirl and twirl and twirl until I get all the fabrics, well, all the fabric on the bun itself. This bun kind of look like an emoji. I won't say, but I'm liking it. And as you can see, guys, voila, that's just it. And I'm going to go in with my earrings. I so love these. I purchased these earrings also in Brit Brand. I think I paid $250 for it, guys. Cheap and clean. You can never go wrong with this, honey. I'm so loving it. Now look, you can see I'm feeling myself. Go girl, go Toya. Go Toya. Guys, I'm so loving this look. Tell me what you think of this look, guys, in the comments. Go Toya. Go Toya. Look at that. Guys, I'm really loving it. On to style number 4. Now, guys, listen. I'm an earth tone kind of gal. You see what I'm saying? I love this fabric. I think I stole it from my mother. So, guys, she's looking for me, but for some reason, I ain't going to give it to her. I'm going to keep it. So what I'm doing here is to try to get the fabric as flat as possible at the back, and still just to take it over each other. I'm not going to knot it, and I'm just fixing here. Now this is a very tricky style, so what I'm going to do is to tie this at the side of my head. So I'm going to give it a knot right here. I'm going to take the top piece and put it in, tuck it in under the fabric itself, and then I'm going to take the other end and then take it over to the same side, guys. Voila, look at that. And that's it. And you know, I got to go in with my earrings after this. Like, guys, this is super cute. I'm loving it. So elegant, so classy. Look at that. You go, girl. Guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel, my channel. Like this video, comment, and hit that notification bell so you can be updated as to when I post my other video. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm feeling myself. Bye.